teachers need quick feedback from students, parents, or staff? Let me show you how easy it is to create a poll in Focus. You can create a poll from anywhere within the communication module that includes the pencil icon. Two of the most commonly used are from the Compose screen itself or the Polls tab. You can even combine this type of communication with others like email or SMS. When ready, fill in the basics. Who's going to be getting the poll, a quick description of the poll, when it should close, and you can even schedule reminder emails. It's all pretty handy if you think about it. So add your questions and select the question type, whether you select multiple choice, true and false, reactions, or free response. It's up to you. But remember, if using multiple choice, you can allow your recipients to select multiple. Want to make that question required? Just ensure that the checkbox is selected. Quickly add more questions with the click of the plus sign. Decide you no longer want those? Go through, click Edit, and you can delete it using the red minus sign. As a Focus Pro tip, when learning these new features, use Schedule Send. This will allow you to quickly edit or delete a poll before it's sent out. And that's it. Fast, simple, and a great way to gather input. Happy polling!